MiTeam Meetings is accessible from the web or as a desktop application. Regardless of how you access your MiTeam Meetings, you must complete some user registration steps. You will receive an email with the subject, "Welcome to MiTeam Meetings." If you don't see this email, check your junk folders or contact your administrator. The link in the welcome email expires after 4 days and can only be used once. Click the Finish button to go to the MiTel user confirmation page. Enter the name you want to be shown to other users. Choose a password and verify it. It must meet the standards shown below. Click Complete to finish the registration process. After completing the registration, an email is sent with steps for installing the desktop application. Follow the steps included in this email and the installation file. Your installation steps may look like what is shown on the screen. Use your credentials to log into the application when the installation is complete. If you choose, you can access MiTeam Meetings through the web. Visit https://meet.mitel.io. Choose Sign In and log in with your credentials. Regardless of how you access MiTeam Meetings, once logged in, the home screen is shown.